Okay, so I bought this table from Harbor Freight, welding table. I think it would help with some of the welding we do with the RC cars for making the hitches and stuff. So we're going to tear it apart and see what's all in there. So you put these 4 brackets on, one here, each corner. Just be careful when you're tightening with the impact, because it'll suck it real tight here and pull through. So you get a better picture of it. So we got the legs bolted on. So all we do is flip it over and put the bottom brace on. Okay, so we got it all put together. That's just kind of a small demonstration of how you use it. It's just a quick video on it. That's all I wanted to do. Thanks for watching.